Hello everybody, I'm Ma'am Tendere. Welcome to my channel. Continue to subscribe to my channel. I'll be uploading more and more videos for you. So today I'm finishing off my class on the grade 12 geography, mid-latitude cyclones. Remember, with mid-latitude cyclones we said we have cold air meeting up with warm air. A front occurs. Then what happens? The cold air sinks because it is heavy and denser, and then we have the light warm air rising. And then with the time, the all warm air is going to be displaced on the surfaces where we have the occlusion. That was a recap of the previous lesson. So today we want to look at weather patterns of the weather patterns. Sorry, I forgot to write the topic there. Weather patterns that is associated along the fronts, the cold front, the warm sector, as well as the warm front. So this is the basic diagram about how the weather patterns that you're likely to experience. So when we are going to look at the cold front. When the cold front meets up with the warm air, what is going to happen is that the cold air, because it is heavy and denser, it will move under the warm air and it is going to sink because it is heavy and denser. Warm air is going to rise rapidly, condensation will take place, and then we have formation of these high-rise clouds, the cumulonimbus clouds, which produce heavy rainfall. So along the cross-section of the cold front, this is the cross-section of the cold front, we are going to have very strong winds here. We are going to have a decrease in the pressure. We are going to have cumulonimbus clouds forming, which are associated with heavy rainfall, isn't it? Wind direction is also going to change from west through the southeast. And please take note, grade 12, this weather patterns question is mainly on the paragraphing questions. This is what you are going to be expected to write when you're answering. And at times you might also be expected to draw the cross section of the cold front. So this is the cross section of the cold front. Now, in the warm sector here, where we have the warm air rising, what is going to happen is we are going to have some stratocumulus clouds forming. Pressure will continue to decrease, and also because it's a warm sector, we are going to have warm, less dense air within this region. Along the warm front, we are going to have air rising also because the air is still less dense, but we are going to have the formation of the nimbostratus clouds. The nimbostratus clouds are associated with light rain. You should know this from your grade 10 geography. And also decrease in the air pressure. So these weather patterns are what are likely to be asked, but especially the ones for the cold front. Please take note of that when you are answering your paragraphing questions. Now, how do we identify them on the satellite image? Those are also questions that can you ask. How do you identify mid-latitude cyclones on the satellite? This is your satellite image. Because it's a center of a low pressure where we have two fronts meeting, we are going to have a band of clouds, as you can see from the diagram there. That is how these mid-latitude cyclones will appear on your satellite image. How do we identify mid-latitude cyclones on the synoptic weather maps? Remember, as geographers, you also need to interpret synoptic weather maps. Definitely, you are going to identify by looking at the symbols of the cold front and the warm front, especially approaching the south part of South Africa. Remember, they occur in the southwestern Cape of South Africa. I hope you enjoyed and understood the video. Continue to subscribe for more videos. Thank you. Bye.